Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add audio beat on the VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, select new project, and select video based. And wait guys, I'm going to add a video from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add a video from this download album. I'm going to add, for example, this video. Okay, and then I'm going to add audio to this project. So I'm going to go to the audio and then we can choose music, effect, or record. I'm just going to choose music, and here we can add music from VN video editor, or we can add our own music. And I'm going to add music from my device. So I'm going to click on my music and I'm going to select music library, and these are music from my device, and I'm just going to select one of them. Wait guys, for example, I'm going to choose this one. Let's try. Oops, sorry, there is no beat in this audio, so I'm going to change it. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and if we want to add beat mark or audio beat to our audio, we just need to click on the beat option right here, and we can add the audio beat manually. You can play the music or the song like this, and then you can add the audio beat like this. Okay, you can add the audio beat according to your needs. All right, and I'm just going to click on the check mark. And as you can see guys, the beat mark has been added to my audio. And then I'm going to try to add audio from the VN. Just going to choose the dynamic category, and I'm going to select this one. Going to click on use. And as you can see guys, if we add music or song from the VN, the beat mark or the audio beat will be added automatically. We need to add it manually, but the audio beat will appear on your audio. And I'm just going to click on the check mark, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add audio beat on VN. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!